I don't remember what the mission introduction here was. Well, they just stole it. But I got a healer. And a tower. Like that. That's tactics. Strategy. Let me see. Drink a blood leech. Let's go, bitch. Oh, she's harpied. Harpies will flock. Yeah, harpies get gold. Subliminals. The harpies get the gold. Harpies. Okay. That was gross. Thanks for not saying that ever again. Yeah, that's a little forward pressure. They do steal gold. They evaporated that freaking gold. What the hell? I have tried to place that guy 3 times. Okay. Oh, that would have been a mistake. Yeah, that would have been a tactical mistake. That was a tactical mistake. I gotta cover it with that. More backup. Oh, this is so easy. My units are just really powerful now. Unfortunately, I thought the money applied to multiplayer. I don't think it does. Maybe if you unlock skills it does, so there's like a small bonus. Yeah, I mean, these guys are not siege units. They don't really do that. The tick damage can matter, but, oops. Let's get a new army going. Heals. Because that's a chain healer, so it's a great opportunity. I thought it was a chain healer. Maybe she's got multiple heals or something. The shaman standard is chain heal. Yeah. Giving these guys money for the single player, I don't know. I was like, I kept feeling like there's like more units or something. I don't know. I think the actual game's fun. I don't mind. Hurry the fuck up. What are you selling me? See, I hate that because, like, who am I collecting? Look at all these characters I don't have. These are just the... Yeah. I've played this game a lot, too. Like, I feel like it was a lot. I wish there's more characters than this. It says I've collected 53 out of 54. I don't know which one I'm missing. I'm sad there's no Night Elf Archers. The lack of Night Elf archers is a little bothersome. Like, I think this is a really cool character, high tier idea. Standard Warcraft. If you know this from, like, I know this from World of Warcraft. I know this whole map from World of Warcraft, so going back through is, like, fun. And Warcraft. I know Warcraft and World of Warcraft, yeah. Oh, we're back over here? Freaking cathedral. That's what. Did I beat the boss? Did I do it yet? I have not. Oh yeah, they just put me over here without even beating the boss. I guess it's on star level, right? It's like Mario. Claiming reward. Oh yeah, you can wait. That's what's in this game. It's alright. Life is made for fun. Like, there's no reason to for PvP. Like, the PvP is, like, pointless. You can grind your own XP. You can grind your own XP right there, and then you can, PvP is, like, ridiculously fun. Let's go. I hope I had the right. I think I did. It's been this map over and over and over again. Okay, so we have to play that. We're gonna play that. It's a little weak beginning, but I think I'm fine for the wait. Yeah, perfect timing on that. Actually, I made the right choice. Yeah, that's kind of what I was feeling. I'd seen what people instinct do on that part, and I was like, this will be better. They've got tons of support. That's an abomination, though. He's super scary, so I'm going to try to burn him down faster. That did nothing. That's a healer, but she's going to get there late, and she can get yanked. This is a bad situation, actually. We'll go like this. We're going to change where we're attacking. I got the gold mine and stole one of his, so that's very, very good. And then I'm going to go in with this DPS, so she might die, which is not good. And they're attacking from this side, which is interesting. Okay. So we're getting a two-sider. So we're going to wait till this gets in range. I placed that in the total wrong time. Maybe not. That could have been genius. It could have been a lucky great play. Okay, I pushed his base. We're coming up like this. But I'm healing this unit. That's something that's going to obliterate his whole team. That abomination's scary, so we're going to hold that until he gets to the tower. Yeah, let's just burn them down like that. That's fine. Look, I mined that chest. I mined a chest. You see that? It's crazy. Alright, now we've got backup. Now this is a push. Now we're going straight. We're taking his tower. He says he wants to do that. Fine. That's where I'm sending all my guys. Okay, he turned left. He changed directions. So what we're doing is we're going like this. And we're stealing his gold. And then we're sending her up really fast because she's really, really good. And we're hitting all of them like that. Bang. I don't know if that does a ton of damage. I think they nerfed it. It feels underwhelming. Yeah, I stole his gold. Alright, and now I'm going to abandon that. Am I going to abandon that? Yeah, let's go this way. And then I'm going to give him her. And then I'm going to send... where's the other one? I'm going to send that one. Yeah, here we go. We got to wait on that. Oh, that's going to be good. That's going to be good. Okay, let's send that. Okay. We've got to get these chests. We've got to get... This guy's new. I don't think he knows to get the chests. Don't touch my tower. Get out of there. Yeah, I won. I just won. I just won so big. Thanks. And that was a perfectly balanced fight. I didn't actually have a material advantage. Which is a little bit sad, because I just spent a fucking, like, $200 on this game. And it doesn't apply to PvP, which is, like, noble and honorable. Yeah, you're at the same level in PvP. It's balanced. I think, quote, that, that's really good. Yeah, I think that this lasts. These skills are on. So that's your advantage, and that's really, like, honestly, that's a gigantic advantage. Like, the fact that this character has, what does she have? She doesn't have anything. Oh, I was just really good. Anyway, yeah. That's the last reward. Now we are rewarded. And then, yeah, let's get Blizzard. Because when I finally get, I'm coming back around. Ooh, yeah, that's gonna hurt. They absolutely flatten multi troop combos. Any multi troop combo, the Huntress is just insane, literally insane. I always thought the Archer was more their style, or the trees. You don't have a Wisp. There's not a Wisp. The Wisp doesn't do anything. Wisps is gonna gather gold for you. That'd be cool. Yeah, you could put wisps on trees and they gather gold. So yeah, that'd be great. Wisps, you could just like put them through the map. But then that combo would actually be insane. It would be like a flood, an unstoppable flood. It'd be Wisp Hunt. It would. The one person that beats Wisp Hunt is the guy that has too many like quick cast spells. Just like quickly fucking, or the Zombie Lord. The Zombie Lord. I can play Zombie Lord. Let's do that. Let's play Zombie Lord. Herod, let's go. How do you expect me to properly whirlwind with this clumsy armor? You kidding me? My abs are stealing up, thank you. Right. Oh, it's the man. He's explaining why the abs are exposed. Tight. Nice. Thug man. Another challenger. Oh yeah, no tower. No tower, 2 waypoint. That's a little different. They're immediately going. Look at that. Got it. Like, I don't have to spend anything. I'm just too OP is really what it is. I could have zombied a little earlier. There we go. Well, I'm going to hold this side until they get to my tower. And give them a necromancer. That's what. So we're just going to wait until we're shooting, right? We're shooting, and then we're blocking. And what's going to happen is that this, oh no, he's going to die. Oh yeah, that's right, they're fire. Fire versus him. Oh yeah. That's a lot of zombies. There you go, Death Knight time. Zombie wave. Birdo. Birdo's gonna kill the boss. Birdo's a disgusting thug that only sees the destruction of foes. Put Birdo on your watch now. He said yeet, but Birdo still won. Was that an Enrage Whirlwind? I guess, yeah, he brought it up before the fight, so that was the special move. He did. He cleared house with what was there, but I guess it wasn't enough. Yeah, I'm kind of sad I bought Victory. I kind of ruined the campaign. I didn't, like, I was like, okay, competitive PvP. All those other games yanked me. I was so used to them, and then it's just like, this game's not competitive PvP. You can't actually buy Victory in PvP. It's just for the single player. I spent single player money. I gave them like $200 for fucking single player bullshit. So I've just got to like max out my characters, and then how hard a single player is ruined. I ruined my fucking game. So dang it. The right way to do it, like, why do they? I guess people have complained that there's like a paywall, so maybe I'll just chill and say that between 39 and 69, is 69 the highest? Oh, it goes to 100. I'm at 39. I think it's too easy. Yeah, wait until you get around 80, bro. That's crazy. How do you grind to 100? Where's that? So you go from 69 to 100. 59, 69, 54. Ungur, your creator. No way you go from 49 to 54. Ungur, a creator? Dude, this is where I usually fell asleep in the grind. I'm sorry if I fucking missed that shit. Okay. What's the battery? 22%. Nice. Kaboosh. Son of Arugal. So, we're just grinding Inquisitor White Mane. Yeah, we could also play. I mean, the thing is, even though we bought talent and that shit, what we bought is we bought access to more card rolls, basically. Is that the idea is that the grid's going to get filled in, and that maybe if this game's around, like I got this Cash Moneyton, right? This game's going to be around 10 years, right? Or 5 years, or 3 years, or 2 years, however long. Eventually, it's going to be like, all right, now there's something worthy, so who cares? Early investor, I'll just say I put down on Blizzard, and I said it's good, it's going to be a good game. It's because like their story elements, they get the music right. They know what they know what they're selling. It's like the directions there. It's really fun. Yeah, it's actually really cool. Medivh. I don't think you should have mainlined her. She is not the main character of Night Elf World. It is obviously a freaking archer. It's just an archer. Yeah, the Night Elf leader is always just a freaking simple archer. So like we're gonna try dabbling with some like huntress or basically this is just she just watches a prisoner forever. She says don't move and he can't. And that's like just a stalemate. Eternal stalemate. So which is deep because you got like hoaxes like in the beginning is the word, which is not true. So fucking it does bad things to people. So anyway, warning. Yeah. Moving on. This thing. Blimh Delos. The Dalinos. Let's go. You know what? Let's Kane Bloodhoof. You smell like a freaking cow, man. I'm gonna put that hide. I'm gonna put that hide on hide. You're gonna be H hid. Capital H. I'm gonna brand you with my H. The Earth Mother. Oh yeah, I bet. I've met that bitch. She's nothing here. Da, da, da. What is this map? So you're gonna have a charge, a pyromancer orc warrior guy. I don't think that tower can hit me, but that would be a fucking dead boss. Down here, no, they could shoot at you. I think I should just charge in, ignore the tower. I mean that thing's gonna shoot. Can that shoot me? You know what? I got a siege unit though. That's what I'll do. I'll mainline all these and send my siege unit down there, and then that'll be it. Yeah, that's the play. The fuck is this? Oh no, I selected Medivh. God dang it. The fuck is this? I was like, what? That makes no sense here. Oh yeah, you can turn the globe on. I love that. What, you can't see me? You can't see me? Oh yeah, this is me. Current temperature. Okay, come on. If we do zombies, we'll win. We could do Hogger. That's disrespect. Yeah, we'll do a Tauren fight. We'll just tear it out. I'm actually gonna kick his freaking butt. It's gonna be disgusting. It's gonna be unfair. Yeah. I heard it. I heard it. Okay. Yeah. Oh, plans canceled. We're going like that. We're going like that. I'm just like I just don't. There you go. That's perfect. That was a perfect start, actually. Almost. No. Yeah, that's good. He's going down. Wow, that rend hurts. Alright, she's a siege unit. Oh, they did the same play. They're like, that's the time you do it. Oh, they got countered. That hurts. See how much that hurts? I can't really do anything. It's just not worth doing. There you go. That's worth doing. That was close. That was tough. Blizzard got me, man. I gotta hold off. I gotta hold off until this defense happens. Oh, good. I got lucky. Although, no, we're not gonna win. We made a little bit of progress, but not like they made... The miner got all the way here. That's probably where the freaking battle power went. Was that... Okay. So we've got chaos going on. We've got to go like this. Oh, shoot. Good thing I got that. Got that on scout. This is how big a StarCraft map could be. Could you do a StarCraft game like this? That'd be awesome. Bet you'll hear me. Blizzard's weird. Like, the 1 or 2 people watching are, like, real customer staff. Like, what are they actually doing? Here you go. 9 and 9. Yeah, we're going like this. This is the push. This is the push. I was pretty much just like, I'll just ignore all the major things because I don't need to pay. Oh, they're dead. They're dead. They're dead. You did nothing. You did nothing. There you go. Hopefully she can waddle past. Let's see how this movement goes. Oh, what? Oh, yeah, that happened. All right, we're doing that. And then we're sending back at. Yeah, we got it. This is it. I don't know why they poop out. They just like run out of gold. Maybe I was like doing enough denial and death or something. I'll just give it to you. Oh, there you go. Hold on. Oh no, they pushed back. They got it. Wow. With the return. I gotta do something about this kobold. Get the fuck out of my freaking gold, man. There you go. Let's take that. Oh shoot. You take that. And oh, that's bad. Never mind. Go over there. Oh, she hits bosses hard. That could have saved me. But I can do this now. And then, yeah, let's go like that for the DPS. Oh no. We need this for the DPS. Yeah, this is like pure, we just need DPS. We just need DPS right now. Oh, HP. Yeah, we got it. And we have a healer. So we might get a fatal blow, and all we gotta do is we just gotta protect ourselves. So, oh good, we got all that. Oh, look, I got this. Nice. That's the victory move right there. Yeah, if you're losing, you can take the towers. I guess styling past the towers quickly is kind of cool. Are we gonna get it? I think so. Yeah, we got it. Lightning shock. Kaboosh. Remix. Oh yeah. Can you see it's dark? It's like 3 a.m. I'm in mole mode. Yeah. Weren't we shrews? Yeah, they said the human was a shrew. Kernberger. Got him. I guess you don't need the rewards. But, yeah, in honor of him, it's got to be a Horde character. He would never go with the Quillbore, who would probably... I know they're probably vegetarians, but I guarantee he'd probably, like, gore a Quillbore for no reason, you know what I mean? So anyway, how's this percentage? 18%? Ooh, I don't know. I've got a power cable back here, actually. That's really convenient. Oh, almost convenient. 10, 9, 8, 7. I'm looking for a power cable. I've got one. I just gotta specifically hit the right. Just gotta pull it out of its hole, and not the other ones. You know what I mean? It's like yank out it, right? Oh, there we go. Got it. Yeah, I'm a big fan. I was getting these cool deals on Amazon for it's like $16 and shit like that. Well, I have no idea what those guys in hats are. Oh, they're gonna tell me. He's a Pyrewood villager? Maybe comes to the Worgen. Oh, and the night goes down. Oh, there's a Worgen cycle in this map. Dope. See, I was just repping Blizzard. I was like, it's super aggressive. Like, okay, we're gonna fight for that tower, and then we're gonna take the high ground and take the low ground, and then double boss push. Duh. Double boss push. Duh. Alright, first move, Tower Advancer. Let's just double get gold like a ballsy one. And ooh, they countered pretty good, but I have a healer going and the tower's down. But this guy, they got my kobold. Oh, they went for it too. Uh-oh. Stop that. She hurts so much. That character, did you see her? Can you toss a heal, man? Can you toss a heal? Thank you. Oh my gosh, would you stop? No. Alright, we've caught up. That was a good push because we got our objective. We have a second push coming, so this is fun. It's a good battle because of how it comes from both sides, and you get this cool... We call this the forward line of troops, the flot. I guess it's what naturally happens. Don't throw away your life in a war for anybody, obviously. Jeez Louise, hold on. No! No! Get out of here. That was the worst decision I could have made. You got lucky, AI. You did. Look at this freaking stream. I thought I was gonna win. Immediately, it's like, nope. Chuck Testa. Chuck fucking Testa, bitch. I know how much I tried to sell you. And I know you didn't buy all of that, motherfucker. That's what this is. Thanks, Blizzard. Alright, oh, come on. Thunk. Jeez Louise, this is horrible. I have no chance. I've got to quit. It's my finger.